welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be recreating this look right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's go ahead and get started. To go ahead and prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade Light Ivory, and then going over it with my finger and then just blending it again with a damp beauty blender. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and to go ahead and set my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the white eyeshadow from the palette and a Snachat blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with this light blue shade from the palette and a Urban Decay blending brush, and I'm applying that all over my crease. With this shadow, you want to build up the color as much as you'd like, so you can just continue adding and blending until your liking. Now I'm going in with a clean blending brush to just blend the shadow together, and with that same blending brush I'm going to begin dragging the shadow to my outer corner. Now using that dark blue shadow from the palette and once again the Urban Decay blending brush, I'm going to begin applying it on the outer corner, working my way into the crease, and then once again dragging it out from the outer corner. And with this shadow, once again, you want to build the color, make it as dark as you want or as light as you want. It's up to you. Here, once again, I'm going in with that blending brush I used earlier just to blend both colors together. Now this step is optional. I just did it because I wasn't really sure what eye look I was going to do, but I'm going in with that blue purple shadow and a flat shader brush to just apply it all over my lid area and then into the crease as well. Then going in with a black shadow and an LA Girl Cosmetics blending brush, I'm applying it lightly and softly into the outer corner of my eye, working my way into the crease, and once again working my way into the outer corner. Now going back with the blending brush, I'm once again just blending all the shades together. And you want to be very careful with the black because black is very tricky when you work with it, so it can get very messy really fast. So then now going in with my Photo Focus concealer once again and a Kylie Cosmetics flat brush, I'm going to begin by cutting the crease. Now keep in mind that this video is fast forwarded, so take your time in cutting the crease. And no lie, I took like 5 to 6 minutes to cut the crease and get it the way I wanted it. Cutting creases is really like hard sometimes, so yes, just take your time, look at it. If you don't like it, you can just fix it, and don't rush it, just take your time. Next, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm going in with the shade Galaxy and just a flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that shade on a half of my lid, and I'm just going to continue to build up that shade until I get the shade sort of that I want. Now next up, going in with the shade Light Year, I'm going to apply that in my inner corner and connecting it to the shade Galaxy. Using that blending brush once again, I'm just going to blend everything together. And now going in with the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Diamond Dust, I'm applying it all over my lid just to give the eye a little bit more of a sparkle. And then I'm going in with my finger to spread out all the glitter. And Then I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. For mascara, I am going to be using the Essence Princess Eyelash Extension Mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Koko lashes in Queen Bee. For the lower lash line, I'm going in with the dark blue shade and the black shade and a Tarte Cosmetics pencil brush, and I'm just mixing the two shades together and applying them on the lower lash line. And then I'm just going to apply some, not concealer, I'm going to apply some eyeliner and mascara to my lower lash lines, and we're done with the eyes. For lips, I'm going in with a Jordana a lip liner in the shade Natural and a Milani lipstick in the shade Teddy Bear. Highlight, I am using the Milani Cosmetics highlighting powder in the shade Day Glow, and to apply that I am just using a Morphe M501 brush. For makeup, I'm just using my Milani setting spray, and that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.